Hello everyone, today we're going to do the panel lock settings. Firstly, let's go to main menu, settings, switch, keypad lock, confirm, and change from off to on, confirm. Okay, let's back to main screen. Now the system is still unlocked. You have to use the back button. Then you will see a key lock icon is beside the battery icon. Let's test.
Please input password.
The default password is 1234. Confirm. And you can operate from the panel.
System armed.
System armed. If you armed the system and wants to leave, don't forget to lock the panel. If you want to reoperate it, then
please input password.
Now let's do the test. Somebody says that under the lock mode, where the intruder will have chance to turn off the power button. Let's test. Locked. Now, if we want to shut off the power, see, the main screen only flickers, but it will not turn off the system.
Please input password.
The defaulted password is 1234. If you want to use your own password, then please revise the password by, let's go to settings, password, find a user, defaulted as 1234, then delete it. Now let's say, for example, I set it as 7891. Setting OK. Let's back and lock. Try to open.
Please input password.
Use the defaulted for testing.
Invalid password.
Okay.
Please try again.
Let's.
System armed. System disarmed. System armed.
Thank you for watching.